Tired of the daily grind of posting on Instagram? What if you could automate your image and caption uploads, schedule your content weeks in advance, and even keep an eye on your engagement, all without lifting a finger? Today, we're diving into the powerful world of Zapier, your secret weapon for seamless Instagram automation. Get ready to reclaim your time and boost your social media presence. First, head over to Zapier.com and log in or create a free account. This is where we'll build our automated workflows, called Zaps. Click on Create Zap. To begin building your first automation, this Zap will be designed to post an image and caption to Instagram. We need to choose a trigger app. This is the event that will start our automation for this example. Let's say when a new file is added to a specific folder in Google Drive. Next, we select the action, New File in Folder. Connect your Google Drive account and choose the specific folder where you'll be storing your Instagram images and captions. Now for the action, this is what Zapier will do. When the trigger event happens, we're going to choose Instagram for Business. From the available actions, select New Media. This will allow us to post an image or video. Here's where the magic happens. Zapier will automatically pull the information from your Google Drive file. We'll map the image file to the image field in Instagram for the caption. We'll assume your caption is stored alongside your image, perhaps in a text file named similarly, and map that to the caption field. You can even schedule your post by mapping a publish time from your Google Drive file, if you've included that there. Before turning your Zap on, it's crucial to test it. Zapier will attempt to perform the action based on a sample file. Once the test is successful, you're ready to turn on your Zap. Want to schedule content? You can create Zaps that pull content from spreadsheets like Google Sheets, posting at designated times. This is perfect for planning your entire week or month's content calendar. And for tracking engagement, Zapier can connect to various analytics tools, allowing you to monitor likes, comments, and shares directly or on a dashboard you set up. With Zapier, you're not just posting images and captions. You're building an efficient, automated Instagram strategy that frees you up to focus on what truly matters: creating amazing content and connecting with your audience. Start automating today.